Hello, Robbie here from Safe Source in tax-free Portland, Oregon, and I want to be the first to welcome you to National Quilting Month. How exciting! So I've got a giveaway all month long that we're doing. We're going to start it with this, and we've got two different types of thread, and one of them is the quilting thread, and this I would put on top. One of them is serger thread, which is a 2-ply. I would put this on the bobbin, and between the two, you have the exact die match because it's same brand, same color number, same everything, but because this one's a little thinner, it holds more thread on the bobbin. So right now, I'm gonna give away like, comment, and share. You can get your choice of colors. I would go with the gray because it works with everything, but you can go with the white, a natural. You can get blue if you want. I don't care. Green, it's St. Patrick's, maybe gold. How about that? That would be cool. But you'll get, the winner gets their choice of a top thread and a bobbin thread for free. It's a great giveaway, super fun for National Quilting Month. So I want to tell you right now, I've got an awesome setup from the Grace Company, which really opens a lot of people up into the world of long arming. So if maybe you've got a bunch of tops at home that you've put together and you've always thought, you know, how do I figure this out? And maybe you tried one and you they call it push quilting, where you're pushing it through the machine, and it just didn't come out the way that you wanted, and you thought, you know what, it's easier maybe to let someone else do it for me. Well, maybe this will change your mind. So I've got an amazing setup, and it starts with the Grace Cutie frame, and I've got this frame. It's about 4 feet in width. It sits on top of any table, so it's not permanently mounted. You can put it away when you're not using it, put it up. But what it does is it uses a technology called hooping. So typically in a long arm, you have a frame that holds your quilt, and that frame has to be longer than your quilt. So if you're doing a lap quilt, it just has to be wider than a lap quilt. But if you're doing a queen or a king, that's where we get into these 10, 12, and even 14-foot setups, where you're really dedicating a lot of space to quilting. And if you're not doing a ton of tops a year, maybe you're losing a whole room. Maybe you're losing a bay in your garage, and you're thinking, gosh, that's a lot of space. With this, you lose, what, 8 inches in a closet when you put it away? And then you pull it up, put it on a table that you already have and use, and then put it away when you're done. It uses your home sewing machine. Now, some machines are built for quilting a little more than others, but you can use a featherweight on this. I saw a video when someone was quilting with automation and a featherweight. So don't tell me my machine can't do that, because if a featherweight can, you can. But as you go, some machines have bigger bays. There's features like a start, stop, and a slider speed control that help us do free motion, but you can use the machine you have. Now, I have it here with the Grace Rebel machine, which gives us a lot more room to work with. It's got a 13-inch bay. It's got a lot more height. But it works great with these hooping frames. And the way a hooping frame works, come on over here, is you don't roll your fabric onto the frame. You use these clips that hold it in place. So a normal quilt frame, the frame has to be wider than the quilt. Well, look right here. My quilt is going right over the edge. So I can do a king-size quilt on a frame that's only 4 feet long. I just hoop it and move it so I can do all my different designs. Now, part of this setup, you get a frame, you use your machine, or you upgrade your machine, and then they have the ability to add automation using your home sewing machine. So now you can have an automated long arm that you can add to your machine, and we have a special price right now where if you bundle the Quilt Motion X with the Cutie Breeze frame, ready for this? $2,000, and you have an automated long arm. Now you can add a little Rebel. We have a sale right now for National Quilting Month. You'll want to call us at 503-775-7283. But this is going to be the time where you can upgrade your entire setup, make it so much easier to use, finish more tops, and it's totally not intimidating. We give free classes for life. We have lifetime support on these machines, but it's something that I know you can do, and it's something that you're going to be able to use. And it doesn't take up a huge space commitment. At $2,000, it's an investment, but it's way less than what you typically spend on an automated long arm. That's for sure. So if you have any questions about this, give us a call, 503-775-7283, or just come on in. We're at 67th and Foster Road. We have a gated parking lot in the back, so you don't have to worry about on-street parking or parking 2 blocks away and having to walk. Nope. You'll just walk right in our back door and surprise, you're in our store. So Save Stores offers a lot of after-sale support that is just kind of going away in our industry. Well, not here. We give free classes for life. We give free extended warranties on everything that we do. We offer FaceTime, Skype, Messenger. Skype's gone now, but Messenger, I keep saying Skype. Messenger support. We do YouTube videos for people. We do all kinds of stuff to help to make sure that you're getting the most out of this for as long as you own your long arms. So they're not set for 6 months or a year. You call us later, we're going to do it for you. Make it super easy, but more importantly, make you feel confident so that you know you have the ability to do this. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 503-775-7283. You can click the link down below. And remember, like, comment, and share to be entered to win 2 spools of thread. They're giant spools. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.